Hey guys. So today we're gonna make a puppet that I've actually been working on for quite a while. His name is Harvey and he's a lizard puppet. So I'm not sure if it's gonna work, but we'll see as we go. So let's go! Sweet, all done. So this is just the leg mechanism, but I think it's gonna look absolutely amazing. Yeah, it kind of walks with alternating legs, so like left, right, here like this. And see? Exactly the same. So yeah, I'm really happy with it and I'll probably finish it next week, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be exhibiting some of my puppets at the Putter School exhibition. Here's the poster. It'll be on Saturday the 1st of September from 4 until 6 on the upper ground of Stadium on Main. So yeah, if you want to come over to that, that'll be amazing. All the information is down in the description. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and I'll see you all soon. Bye.